Namaste, welcome. Welcome. Yes, to all our esteemed customers. So welcome to the weekly presentation. Anybody has any questions? We can start with questions. More people are joining. If you want to discuss any stocks, we can discuss some stocks also. If you have any stocks to discuss. आवाज में आ रहा है विकास मेरा?
हाँ, बहुत clearly.
Nobody was asking, that is why. कोई कुछ पूछ नहीं रहा है.
Somebody is asking chat. हाँ.
कोई पूछा क्या चैट में?
Yeah.
Pro price is decreasing. Market now expensive. Yes, Madhu Babu जी बोलिए क्या question है? Please rename. Wipro price is decreasing. Okay, let's open Wipro. So how do you decide? How do you decide to buy a stock? Let's discuss that. Okay, so let's go to Wipro. Okay, so first is Wipro is a very strong quality business core, right? Wipro is a very strong quality business core. It's a strong buy company. That means a great company, number one. So first thing is the score, right? That is very important. And then after the score, then we see that whether the company is doing well in the current quarter, last quarter. Okay, so we termed it as strong buy. And the third aspect is you have to see the valuation. What is the valuation of Wipro? Vikash, go down. So Wipro is fairly valued, right? It is not undervalued, it is fairly valued. The P is 26, so it is pretty decent actually. Okay, fairly valued, and it is the P is about 26. So till 26 P, it's a pretty decent thing. Sector P is also 26 and P ratio is 22. Right? So 22P is a pretty decent enter, you know, even at a fairly valued stage, it is pretty decent. Right? So at what rate can we enter Wipro? Because let's open the chart.
Yes.
So Wipro has made a high. So let's see the weekly low, Vikas, weekly low. But see show the chart now. Sorry, support resistance ladder.
Okay.
Wipro is decreasing. Who said Wipro price is decreasing? Wipro is increasing only, right?
Exactly.
Mr. Krishnaraj, where is Wipro price decreasing? Hello? Mr. Krishnaraj?
Everybody can speak. I have allowed them to speak. Yeah.
Sir, today's price is 350.
Yeah, so the price is increasing every day.
No, today it has come down, sir.
Oh, that is a trading mentality. We don't talk trading mentality, one day price going down. We don't teach that.
Understand, sir. Thank you.
We don't teach that one day price going down, one day price going up. That is a trading mentality. Please don't trade like that. You will never make money. You know, obviously there will be some corrections always. The price has moved so much. So obviously there will be some profit booking by traders. Okay.
Okay.
So that is always possible, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
If you decide to do that, then you will never make money in the stock market. Please don't do that, okay?
No, I just wanted your input.
Yeah.
I understood.
Yeah, the
Thank you.
share is very good, you know. Don't
Yes,
worry
sir.
about one day price movements.
No, I started buying today. That's why I just
Yeah,
wanted.
yeah, there's no problem. The strong buy companies are very, very good. Okay, next question, please. Next question. Next question, please. Anybody, the next question?
हेलो
हाँ.
हाँ गुड आफ्टरनून सर अच्छा म्यूचुअल फंड ये जो अपना ऐप है इसमें म्यूचुअल फंड स्क्रीनर में
हाँ.
रेटिंग के हिसाब से खोलते हैं तो कुछ दिखाता नहीं
विकास बोलो क्या नहीं दिखाता है?
हाँ हाँ
ऐप में
जाओ के भी ओपनिंग 1 सेकंड.
हाँ बताइए.
स्क्रीनर
स्क्रीनर
by ratings.
ये
by
ये
rating.
वेबसाइट है कि ऐप
Same app and website is all same. Rating. आ गया rating?
फिल्टर थ्रू रेटिंग
Rating करो बेटा.
हाँ हाँ
नीचे रेशियो कर रहा है. रेटिंग. हाँ 5 रेटिंग करो, अप्लाई करो. दिखा नहीं रहे. डोंट ये बोल रहे हैं ना प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ कोई रेटिंग्स के चूज करने से कोई भी फंड का नाम नहीं आता एनी रेटिंग
इसको ठीक करा देते हैं. मे बी
इसको ठीक करा.
विकास इसको ठीक करा.
हाँ अभी करा.
4 देख.
अच्छा रेटिंग में क्या ये ग्रेटर देन 4 रहेगा 4 मींस ओनली 4 आएगा कि ग्रेटर देन 4 एंड 4 ग्रेटर देन
4 रेटिंग
5 वाला नहीं आएगा
4 and 5 दोनों सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो 4 and 5 दोनों आ जाएगा.
हाँ
दोनों का ऑप्शन का सिलेक्शन का ऑप्शन है ना.
हाँ दोनों
लेकिन छुआ होगा भी ठीक करा देंगे. शाम को देखिएगा ठीक है. ठीक है.
ठीक है थैंक यू
ओके नेक्स्ट.
अच्छा तो निफ्टी डेटा सेल में कल देगा सेल कॉल आ गया निफ्टी डेटा का
कॉल नहीं आया अभी तक. सेल कॉल नहीं दिए हम लोग. आप निफ्टी का प्रोडक्ट ले रखे हैं क्या?
हाँ सर
हम लोग सेल कॉल कहाँ दिए? हम लोग तो
नहीं मीटर में बोल रहा हूँ मीटर में से
मीटर में आया ना. मीटर फिर आज बाय आ जाएगा.
हाँ
तो एक दिन के लिए वेट करना पड़ता है. इसलिए मैंने सिखाया था ना कि जब ये आता है तो वी आल्सो हैव टू सी द फॉरेन मार्केट. यूएस मार्केट नहीं गिरा और स्मॉल कैप नहीं गिरा तो इट इज नॉट.
ओके थैंक
बाजार फिर से तेज हो गया. फिर से बाय हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
थैंक यू
Krishna Raj, I've been investing in ICICI Prudential Equity and Debt Fund. But ICICI Equity and Debt Fund means, Mr. Raj, समझे नहीं. What is your question? Mr. Krishna Raj, I did not understand.
Sir, its performance is in the negative side. Just
Which ICICI Prudential, which equity?
It's a hybrid, sir.
Which
Hybrid.
one?
It's a
Hybrid.
Yes, sir, hybrid.
Hybrid, okay.
Yeah, Prudential Equity and Debt Fund.
Okay. Hybrid का fund होता है.
Hybrid. Yeah, that.
Equity and debt fund. हाइब्रिड में है विकास. उसमें खोल अग्रेसिव हाइब्रिड में है. अग्रेसिव हाइब्रिड बैलेंस किस कौन सा कैटेगरी हुआ विकास? अग्रेसिव हाइब्रिड.
You want me to open full detail?
हाँ देखो which is the best one in aggressive hybrid.
Checking. हाँ.
हाइब्रिड में जा विकास. पहले हाइब्रिड ऊपर में हाइब्रिड.
Aggressive hybrid.
हाँ 33 स्कीम 1 ईयर में BOI XR नीचे आएगा. कहाँ पर आएगी?
ICICI is here in one.
It's really bad actually.
Yeah, yes,
Done
sir.
very
Yes.
badly.
Not performing well.
Yeah, there are so many good funds in the same category who are performing.
Yes, sir. Earlier it was doing well, but for the past 6 months it has gone down.
Yeah, so then you have to be very careful. You know?
Yes, sir.
This
More
is when
than,
you have to withdraw the money and put somewhere else.
okay, sir. Right, sir.
Right. So the data is already available. So you can
Yes, sir.
actually
Yes, sir.
put for better data,
Yes,
better
sir.
company.
Yeah, I have to switch, I think.
Yeah, yeah, better switch. Yes, do that. Okay, next question, please.
So what about the exposure of Apple India?
Apple. Okay, let's study Apple. Same QB score in stocks, put in SB and buy or hold. Please clarify. Mr. Avdesh, I did not understand your question. Let me understand, then you come online and explain me the question. कोई wait कर रहा है विकास कौन है ये?
He has not renamed himself, so the name was very he has written some different name. So should I enter him or?
Enter अभी करेंगे तो मालूम पड़ जाएगा कौन enter किया है, then you can ask him and then you can.
Yeah, I have admitted him. Then I can again put him in there.
Just check. Ask him who's he. Then if he's not the
Yeah,
customer.
I've asked him on message, but he has not replied yet. Yeah.
नहीं तो अभी admit कर दिए क्या?
Admit किया.
हाँ?
हाँ, admit किया है.
So please put your name or we have to remove you. I don't know who's this.
1KW91.
1KW. We'll have to remove you if you don't unname. Can you please come online and talk? Who's this? We have to recognize you.
1KW something.
So
Okay. Again putting.
just
Okay.
send him a message privately and then remove him. If he does not respond within a minute, you remove him.
Okay.
Yeah, let's open Apple now. Mr. 1KW91T5T. If you don't respond, then we have to remove you from the group because we are not able to understand who you are.
Yeah.
He's not responding. Can
Yeah.
you unmute him? Can you put his video on so we can see his video? You can put the video on.
He has to on his video. Yeah. We don't have option to on. Yeah, FL.
Yeah, Apple. So Apple is a very good company. The business is doing, they are doing very, very well in the business. Okay. Now let's go
Right.
to the valuation. The valuation is only the problem. You know, it is such a good company. So if you see the valuation, the P is 97. That is what the worry factor is. You know? So when the P becomes so high, you'll have to wait for a correction, at least 20-30% correction. What is the price right now, Vikash? Apple?
Yeah, 2723.
You'll have to wait for 20 to 30% correction. I think so 2000 levels will be better. 2000 levels will be better. You know, too high a P to enter Apple right now.
Actually, what are they dealing about, sir? The business?
Sorry?
Apple India deals with which business, sir? What are the what business they are doing?
Oh, there is, you know, you see the business, it is written down. Can you see this?
Yeah, okay.
Every company business is written. What are they doing?
Okay, sir.
The revenue segment, everything is there. All businesses, a short description is there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Mr. Abdesh, उनको remove कर दिया क्या विकास?
नहीं कर दे.
He's not responding, so remove him.
सर राजेश फ्रॉम प्रयागराज.
Yes.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था सर, आने वाले टाइम में जैसे इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का काफी अच्छा रहेगा रिस्पांस, तो इस सेगमेंट में कौन से स्टॉक को हम लोग फोकस कर सकते हैं?
अभी वो आप उसमें फ्यूचर में जाएंगे ना, तो अभी बहुत टाइम है इंडिया में इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल.
राइट सर, राइट.
अभी बहुत टाइम है. अभी कोई भी कंपनी उतना प्रॉफिट्स नहीं दिखा रहा है इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल में, तो वेट करिए. कम से कम एक प्रॉफिट दिखाने दीजिए.
ओके, अच्छा सर. दूसरा सर, जैसे अभी क्या है ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन, इसमें कौन सी कंपनी को फोकस करते हैं? एक तो कुफार जो हो गया, इसके अलावा कोई और अच्छी कंपनी जिसका क्यूबीएस अच्छा हो?
सॉरी,
ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड जो कंपनियां हैं, उसमें कौन सी कंपनी को फोकस कर सकते हैं?
ऑनलाइन आपको बेसिकली अगर आप मेरा देखेंगे, हम आपको जो हाईएस्ट क्यूबीएस स्कोर देते हैं ना, पहले उसमें ध्यान दीजिए कंपनीज. आप
Okay.
सेक्टर से ध्यान देंगे ना गलती हो जाएगा, तो उससे बेटर मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ।
जी।
अगर आप देखेंगे ये सेक्टर से जाइए,
ओके
कौन सा सेक्टर अभी अच्छा कर रहा है एक साल में,
ओके
पहले देखिए।
जी
तो उस सेक्टर में ज्यादा करिए, विकास पहले ओवरऑल सेक्टर दिखा, ये नहीं ओवरऑल सेक्टर दिखा पहले।
हाँ
अगर आप ओवरऑल सेक्टर देखेंगे तो इसमें
जी।
ज्यादा एक साल करो, 1 ईयर कर लो। अगर आप 1 ईयर में देखेंगे तो इस सेक्टर में ज्यादा दिमाग लगाइए, फार्मा, आईटी,
फार्मा IT
फूड बेवरेजेस, फर्टिलाइजर, एग्रोकेमिकल, ये सेक्टर में ज्यादा दिमाग लगाइए,
ओके
इसमें ज्यादा कमाइए। क्योंकि आप अगर वो सेक्टर जो चल रहा है, जो
जी
सेक्टर में प्रॉफिट्स बढ़ रही है, उस सेक्टर में ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस होना चाहिए।
ओके
क्योंकि वो अभी आप जो बात कर रहे हो 4 साल बाद होगा, 4 साल में पैसा बहुत टाइम लगेगा उसमें। सो दैट स्ट्रेटेजी, मैंने वो स्ट्रेटेजी बहुत ट्राई किया था, बट डजंट वर्क। द सेक्टर्स व्हिच आर डूइंग वेल, उसमें कौन सी कंपनी अच्छी है, उसमें अगर आप दिमाग लगाएंगे, दैट इज द बेटर स्ट्रेटेजी टू मेक मनी। Okay, so this is my views, always has to be that which are the sectors which is doing well right now.
थैंक यू
Okay, अवधेश जी का है, किसी का आवाज आ रहा है विकास बैक में। अवधेश जी का है सेम QB score and stocks put in SB and buy or hold, please clarify. Avdesh ji, can you click come online please?
Avdesh ji, yeah, I think he's left. नहीं अवधेश
में डाल दिया
अवधेश जी है ना?
या अवधेश जी बोलिए। हाँ
यस हाँ सर
क्वेश्चन है।
SBI कार्ड्स एंड पेमेंट उसका QB स्क्वायर 20 है,
ठीक है,
तो पहले स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय में डाला था, अभी होल्ड में या बाय में डाला है?
सॉरी रिजल्ट आ गया क्या विकास? करंट
देख ले रहा है।
होल्ड विद कॉशन कैसे चला गया इसमें कार्ड्स?
हाँ देख रहा है।
सितंबर का रिजल्ट आ गया क्या?
नहीं इंस्टीट्यूशन भी 2 है, जून 20 का रिजल्ट, जून 19 का रिजल्ट नहीं दिखा रहा, ये कुछ इशू हुआ है, चेक कर रहा है। जून 19 का डेटा नहीं दे रहे हैं।
कुछ टेक्निकल एरर हुआ है सर, वो
अच्छा,
गलत हो गया है, कुछ टेक्निकल।
नहीं लेकिन वैसे भी बहुत सारे
हुआ है सर।
स्टॉक, हेलो
वो
सर
कुछ
वैसे भी
क्योंकि कल हम लोग एक नया फाइल चलाए हैं, मेरे को लग रहा है कुछ टेक्निकल एरर है, इसीलिए 2-3 चीज नहीं हो रहा, वो ठीक करेंगे। विकास उसको पहले बोलो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक कराएगा।
हाँ अभी बोल रहे हैं। हाँ
अच्छा उसमें सर बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स ऐसे हैं जैसे 20
A lot of
वो ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई अभी हम लोग एक नया फाइल चलाए थे, कुछ टेक्निकल एरर हुआ है।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
हाँ
अब दिमाग मत लगाइए, वो भी ठीक हो जाएगा 5-10 मिनट में, प्लीज। कोई टेक्निकल एरर यहाँ पर डेटा नहीं दिखा रहा है, कोई
हाँ,
टेक्निकल एरर हुआ है पक्का।
अच्छा अच्छा
डेटाबेस ठीक कर देगा, देखिए ना उड़ गया है, पूरा डेटा ही नहीं दिखा रहा है, इसलिए भूल से चला गया।
अच्छा अच्छा नहीं लेकिन बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स में देखा मैं, जैसे 20 QB स्क्वायर है ना।
अब वो ठीक हो जाएगा, वो ठीक हो जाएगा, वो गलती है, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट।
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है,
1 घंटा बाद देखिए।
ओके थैंक यू।
हर्षुल, हाँ ये एक बार देखिए ना, ये
Okay, next question. To what we study India Wakes. Anand Mohanji, why do you want to study the overall volatility of the market? Can you come online, Anandji?
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to understand, suppose at any time I want to come out of any, I have invested in some stocks, I want to come out of that. So will I, if I study India VIX at that time, is it the right way to exit?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay.
Not at all. It is not at all a good way to exit. Fundamental stock. This is a trader's strategy. Volatility is a trader strategy, not a fundamental strategy. Your investment is trading or fundamental?
Yeah, somewhere I'm doing trading also, and part.
So that is why you are confused. That's it. For trading, you use the volatility. For fundamentals, you don't use volatility.
Sure.
Okay, so there is a clear difference between fundamentals and trading. So when we are doing trading, we use volatility index. But when we are doing fundamentals, we don't use volatility. So that difference is very, very important to know. What is the difference between trading and fundamentals? Vikas, just show that file again.
Yeah.
Ashok Govindraji, by the time the minimum amount required for availing PMS is 50 lakh rupees. It is 50 lakh rupees, Ashok Govindji. Okay, then we have Sneha Bapankar, ICICI MF Group. Please mute yourself, please. Sneha Bapankar, ICICI MF Growth. Sneha ji, which fund is this? ICICI MF Growth.
Sir, good afternoon. I have been attending your seminar for the first time. My dad follows you. So I have mutual funds of ICICI Prudential, and this is growth fund. I have bought it for 25,000, around 25,000. So should I continue to hold this, or should I?
So Sneha ji, can you tell me the exact name? There is no ICICI MF Growth, I think so. Can you tell me the full name?
Multi-asset fund, and it is growth. Multi-asset fund.
Multi-asset
fund.
Multi-asset fund. Okay, okay, understood now. Okay. Vikas, just open multi-asset.
Yeah. Only all multi-asset. Yeah.
स्नेहा जी ऐप में देखिए ऐसे आप जाके देख सकते हैं
Hybrid. Multi-asset allocation.
Multi-asset allocation. There are 12 funds. You are in. Prudential is really doing very badly. ICICI Prudential is really doing badly. In the same one, HDFC Asset, multi-asset is giving 14% return. SBI multi-cap asset is giving 9% return. So these are much better than this.
Okay, so should I come out of this?
Yeah, you should. You should. You should, and you can shift to HDFC multi-asset, SBI multi-asset, and UTI multi-asset. You can shift in these three.
Okay, so I have one more question. Recently I have developed interest in this sector. So from where should I start, or where should I begin?
Where should you begin? You have to begin with my 5-day course first to understand how do you know how to buy stocks. My next program is on 26th.
Okay, coming 26th.
Join my program, then we will explain you my entire what we do, so you have much more knowledge about stocks and everything.
Okay, thanks a lot, sir.
Okay, thank you. Ashok Govindraj, IGL. Vikas, open IGL. विकास बोल दिया ना ठीक करने के लिए?
हाँ बोल दिया. वो लोग कुछ कंफ्यूजन है उन लोगों को, वो हम चल जाएगा जब देख लेंगे.
एक बार उनको दिखा दो ना, उनको एक बार उनको मोबाइल में जब तक वो पीछे में, so that they can रमानंद को पहले डायरेक्टली. हाँ. Show ना that stock. Let's see India Pradesh Gas, ये तो ठीक है क्या डेटा? Just check जून का डेटा तो आ रहा है क्या? Just check.
वो जो उसके लिए बोल रहे हैं कि न्यू लिस्टिंग है तो जून का आएगा तो क्वार्टर में तो दोनों आएगा ना डेटा. वो लोग कुछ कंफ्यूजन है उन लोग. ये ठीक है, करेक्ट है. होल्ड में है IGL.
Okay, IGL is in hold because current score जो है ना उसका जून क्वार्टर का रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं था. अशोक गोविंदराज जी, जून क्वार्टर रिजल्ट्स was not very good.
देख लेते हैं.
Okay, now if you see the June quarter results, नीचे में ये 59% degrowth है sales में, and अगर आप net profit में भी 85% degrowth है. That is why we have put on hold. कंपनी बहुत अच्छी है, but अभी last quarter results बहुत खराब था अशोक जी. That is the reason. Okay.
So somebody was asking about IGL. So only the June quarter result is not good. That is why it is on hold. So we need to wait for the September quarter result. If September quarter result does well, then we can go ahead with Indraprastha Gas.
Yeah. So we'll have to wait, Mr. Govindraj, for this. Then we have a question from Parag. In yearly and quarterly results, if we click, then I get 5-year graph is not seen, only meaning is given. We used to see this earlier. Parag ji, which share है देख मेरे को लगता है डेटाबेस में कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है क्या? Just open sales 5-year में click कर. It's coming only. Parag ji, which share is this?
No, I was clicking on the I.
Okay. It's there
Okay,
only. It's there only.
Okay. So I have to click on the sales.
Oh,
click on that.
Okay.
Yeah, if you click on sales, it will come. Yeah, it is coming. Yeah.
Okay. I was clicking I. That is, I was confused.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Can we enter? No, right now. Wait, Aditya. Don't enter. Saxo wanted to know your view for long term. Abhijit ji, these are very good shares, Lincoln and Saxford. The only problem is that they are small cap mini. So mini share में क्या होता है 400 करोड़ की शायद दोनों में market cap है. So when the market falls, these stocks also fall a lot. So they don't have the internal resistance to when the market falls. So you just have to be careful with that.
So, sir, basically, what will be the ideal time for them? Should they go till small cap or mid cap? For that, we should wait for these stocks, or like?
No, you can enter, but you have to be very fast in exiting. There are no mutual fund in these stocks. You just have to be fast, because when there are no mutual fund, when the market will fall, you have to exit very fast. This is not a very buy and hold type of stocks where you can buy, like large cap. There are certain stocks, large cap, mid cap, even very good small cap above 2,000-3,000 crore rupees. When the market falls, they still have the capacity individually to sustain the market. But small companies, if the market falls, this also tends to fall. So you have to be very careful with that.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Ibrahim. We get buy call and sell call in Nifty. Obviously, we give, Mr. Naidu. We give every month. Whenever there will be a buy or sell call, we'll give. We've already given a buy call in October, and the buy is continuing. There's no sell call right now. Mr. Naidu, Jagan. Okay. Next question. Anybody wants to talk? Anybody else has a question?
Abraham ji, I think, has a question.
Abraham ji is actually appreciating us. Thank you, Mr. Abraham. We are unable to download Value Stocks app. It's very easy. Just go to Google Play and download. Or Sneha ji, talk to Prateek and people. They will help you to download. It's very easy.
Vikas ji, Babu Manohar baat kar rahe ji.
Is it possible to add? Yeah, we are doing that, Mr. Binalkanti Datta. We'll do it.
Is there any strong buy undervalued stocks available right now, sir?
Yeah, it is there. I'll show you that. There is. It's so easy. I'll show you. Go to Vikas, just play undervalued. Just go and say undervalued stocks. Valuation, undervalued. No, we got valuation.
Sorry.
Undervalued. That's it. And just say okay. And you'll get all the undervalued stock. There are so many undervalued. About 15 stocks are there. Buy strong buy. तीन तो strong buys में हैं जो undervalued है. Mastec, Muthoot and EID Parry. And और buy में भी दिखा दो विकास. So it's so simple. Sonata, Canfin, Just Dial, Mastec. Okay, you can take a picture if you want to. It's very simple. BBTC, go down Vikas. Show the name. Coromandel, Sonata, E-Clerk, Just Dial, Balrampur, Chini. Did you get it, sir? Did you
Okay,
get
sir.
it?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, next slide. Next question, please. Slide.
विकास जी बाबू मनोहर बात कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
Sir, the PMS you said is a 50 lakh rupees.
Right.
Okay, is it possible to reveal what is the guaranteed returns we can expect?
Guaranteed return, you have to go to the bank. They will give you guaranteed return of 6%.
No, it's okay. Approximate.
In the stock market, there is no guarantee.
Okay.
But I can
What
tell
is
you
the
the probability, the right
probability?
probability. We
Yeah.
can give you if you are in large cap, we can give you a 16 to 18%, and
Okay.
mid cap, small cap, we can give you 20 to 22%.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is the probability we perform.
Okay.
And we have done that regularly.
Okay.
You know, so that is the amount we can definitely give you, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, next question, please.
Sir, this is Satish.
Yes.
So generally, see, based on US selection or before the US selection, so stock market will come down or any up movement like that. Generally, based on the previous history, you have any data?
Yeah, it always, if Biden will win, market will go down. If Joe Biden will win, market will go down. But that will be 10-15 days only. So that's a good opportunity to buy. So if you have all the good stocks, which I have said, all the high QB scores, all the strong buys, usually that is overvalued. So that is the time they will become fairly valued. You can get at a correction of 20-30%. So that is the time jump in those stocks. So that's an opportunity. For fundamental investors, market fall is the greatest opportunity because you get good stocks at low prices. So this is where we need to have the money and we have to buy a lot of stocks.
Okay. You mean just wait 10 more days after the election, like that you suggest?
Not even 10 more days. After the election, when the market starts going down and you know the valuations are coming down, so you have to write down anything which gives a correction of 20-30%, you can buy those.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Did you understand?
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Vigash.
Yeah.
Next question, please.
Sir, Parag here.
Yes, Parag.
Let's say we want to design a portfolio where we want, let's say, 60% of the fund as large cap, 20 mid cap, and 20 small cap. How do we do?
You can buy 3 of my strategies.
Which one?
You can divide the money large cap, mid cap, small cap accordingly.
Which one?
You can buy 3 of my strategies. Vigash, show them the strategies you can buy. So in the app, if you go to strategies based on predictive analytics, you can buy large cap. So go to large cap first. You want a yearly strategy or a quarterly strategy?
Yearly.
Yearly. So go to large mid cap. So this is the yearly strategy. You can buy Warren Buffett. Okay. So you can put 60% money here. Then you can buy mid cap. Stocks are there. Mid cap. And you can go to mid cap. And then you can go to the yearly strategies, which gives the highest return. This one. Okay. You can buy this strategy.
Long term.
Okay.
You also want to invest in mid and
small cap.
And small cap. Then you can buy the small cap strategy. Low P strategy gives you very good return. So you can buy. You can put 20% here. So you can. That is why I made different strategies so that you will get those 5-7 stocks and then you can divide. So out of 20 stocks, if there are 6 stocks in small cap, you can put 20% in 6 stocks. So you can divide the money accordingly.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Parag ji. So that is why these strategies are backed by all the customers. So usually everybody buys 3 strategies from me, so that they can divide their money into 3 different strategies.
Right.
Okay.
Someone has asked margin of.
Yes, there is a question from Madhu Babu. Margin of safety. Margin of safety is because एक खोलो कोई स्टॉक बताइए जो अंडर ये इसका भाव है. विकास अंडर वैल्यू कोई भी स्टॉक ले एक बार.
हाँ.
एडी पैरी या कोई भी ले लेना.
हाँ.
या मुथूट फाइनेंस ले ले.
हाँ.
जब भी आप कोई शेयर अंडर वैल्यूड है तो वहां से मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी चालू हो जाती है. So margin of safety is when you buy a share which is undervalued. That is known as margin of safety. और अगर आप overvalued लेते हैं तो आपका सेफ्टी नहीं है. स्टॉक अच्छा है बट सेफ्टी नहीं है. So अगर मैं दिखाता हूं तो कोई स्टॉक में undervalued है, तो जो undervalued means आपका safe, you are much safer if you invest in this stock because it is undervalued. ये देखिए, undervalued stock mean वो margin of safety है उसमें.
Okay, but what is between intrinsic value and margin of safety difference?
Sorry?
Between intrinsic value and margin of safety difference.
Intrinsic value ही है, देखिए intrinsic value है, देखिए ऊपर में दिया हुआ है. ऊपर में ये intrinsic value है, अभी देख रहे हैं आप?
Yeah.
इसका अगर आप एवरेज लेंगे, अभी मार्केट करंट प्राइस क्या है विकास, अभी देख 163. राइट. तो अभी अगर आप देखेंगे इसका अगर आप एवरेज लेंगे तो आपको इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू 200-250 मिलेगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली.
ओके.
तो अगर इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू 200-250 है एंड 163 का प्राइस है तो मार्जिन सेफ्टी हो गया.
Okay.
We are going to put one average intrinsic value because many people asking विकास जी अपने को आज कराना है ये वाला करने के बाद. हाँ.
Yeah, sir. Many experts are telling you buy at margin of safety, then you will never lose.
ये already दिया हुआ है. Maybe it is not so clear. इसको और क्लियर कर देंगे. ओके. सो करंट प्राइस डाल के थोड़ा और क्लियर कर देंगे तो लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा. We'll make it more clear for people to understand and understand it and buy from it. But you already दिया हुआ. Undervalued means the margin of safety में है.
Okay.
It's just a different word. जैसे आप पानी को जॉल भी बोल सकते हैं, वाटर भी बोल सकते हैं. तो undervalued and margin safety is similar.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah. Okay.
What is the difference between P ratio and ROE?
P ratio and ROE is 2 different things. P ratio is a valuation metric. कि वो शेयर महंगा है कि सस्ता है. It gives you the price. Okay. ROE is the production of capital. कि हम कितना रुपया लगाते हैं और मेरे को रिटर्न क्या मिलता है. Return on capital, okay, और return on equity is known as ROE. कि हमने 100 रुपया लगाया, मेरे को 20% रिटर्न मिला. Right? So that is ROE. P is a valuation metric कि मेरा प्राइस कितना है और उसका अर्निंग कितना है.
Sir, English please.
Okay, so what is the price and what is the earning? That is P ratio. But ROE is what is the production of capital. Then what is the capital? The capital is 100 rupees. I make 20 rupees. So my ROE or return of capital is 20%. There are 2 different things. Okay, I think so. You need to Google that. That is not my. That means these are basic things which you need to know about the stock market. You can Google it and learn.
ROE and EPS are same, huh?
Sorry?
ROE and EPS are same.
No, it is not same also.
He can take 5-day course.
It is not same.
He can take 5-day course.
Okay, so I think so you need to do the 5-day course where you understand each method and you can also read the I. Because just show the I of ROE and everything. Na? Just read the I in my app. See the I is there. So what is an EPS? It will show. What is an ROE? It will show. See, it is there. So read the I, right? So whenever you have a question, read the I, so you'll be able to understand. It is given to you so that you can read it. Okay, next question, please.
Sir, this Satish again.
Yes, Satish.
Sir, I compared just 2 stocks. One is Persistent and another one is Mastech in IT segment.
Let's compare.
Yeah.
So, Persistent.
Yeah. So there actually I checked that the score you have given, one is 17 and one is 20.
Right. Okay. So what is the question? Okay, everything is open now. Persistent
Yeah,
is open. What is the question?
yeah. Question is like, see, whenever the score is high, means it is good quality business, right?
Because why is annual sales growth is not showing here?
Maybe the growth is not there, but still should show. Let me check.
Should see in the main desk. Yeah. Okay, what is the question?
I saw, sir, for see 20 score you are given buy, but 17 score you are given strong buy. So what is the reason? Just difference?
See the current quarter. I'll show you the current quarter.
Okay.
The current quarter, who is doing very well in the current quarter also. Because the score is quite close, 17 and 20, both are very high.
Okay.
Okay, but the current quarter, if you see, persistent, see the current quarter.
Okay.
Okay, current quarter is 19% and 9%. Okay, show Mastech, Vikash. And last year, show Vikash last year. Show all the score now, upar se malum pad jayega. See, last year, persistent did not do well. Can you see, last year, it did not have growth in profit and it did not have profit growth. Persistent. Can you see last year?
Okay.
Now, if you go and above the score also.
Yes, sir.
So current is also very important.
Okay.
But if you see the current, persistent got a score of 3.
Okay.
Just check 3.
Okay.
Third line, Vikash. Yes, 3.
Sir, then in that case, it should be reverse.
Mastech is 4 and 2. So basically, the current, because if you're doing well currently, then your prices will tend to move more higher. That is why I divide the counter when it does see. So if you see Mastech, it is 4. I'll show you Mastech. It is 4 and 2. So when current here and it is better, now you see Mastech 4 and 2. Can you check?
Okay.
So currently Mastech is doing even better than persistent. So there is a small difference. So when the thing is also doing very well in the current year and in the current quarter, we give them a higher mark.
Okay.
So that means
Mastech
now might become 20 and persistent may become 19. But it is still very good. Both companies are fantastic. No worries about it.
Okay. So in that case, just my suggestion, no. So the score should be divided like which is currently doing well, no. That should be given more. Then here buy and strong buy should be reversed. So in my case, my view, I understood.
I did not get you. What is the question?
He's saying, sir is saying that what he wants to say that when strong buy is there, the number should be more, and buy number should be low.
No. We cannot. It doesn't matter anything. It does. We cannot do for every stock. That is why my recommendation is different. That is a quality business score which comes from one area. Then I also do research and I give my recommendation. Okay, that is why you have to check why we have done it. You can understand now. Now, next time it will be very easy for you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You know that if the current quarter is there, that is why it is strong buy.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You can check right now. I've given you this. I've given you the details. Okay.
Yeah, I can see.
So not only the number which decides. Okay.
Yeah.
Not only the number.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. There is also a recommendation how they are doing well in the current scenario. So both are important. History, like persistent is a long history of good stock. So that is also very important. And buy and strong buy are all very close. All stocks are good.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
I mean, definitely, Amar, Sunny, recommendation is more important than quality score because it is my recommendation. So that is a further research done from the quality score. That's correct. That's correct. Amardeep, that's correct. Because that is why recommendation is easy to understand. Score, you just have to still make some effort to understand where is the score. Okay, next question, please.
Hello, sir, Madhusudan.
Yes, please.
Sir, now Nifty 50p is trading 34, but it seems to high valuation or
Sorry,
under
Nifty
50p, sir. Price
Yeah.
earning. It is 34 trading PE
Right,
Nifty 50.
right. I know.
But yeah, it is seems to be very expensive because EPS growth is not happening, but market is increasing like that. Anything.
But I mean, right now we will see because of the COVID. Maybe after the September results will be given,
Okay.
and most of the results will be out. Nifty 50 stocks results will be out within the next 15-20 days.
Okay.
So that it may go down to 30 to 31.
Okay. Okay. The 34 that number is very high, correct, sir? PE.
It is high, but you have to check that sometimes it is high.
Okay.
There is no doubt that it is high. The valuations are high, but
Okay.
sometimes we've seen that market doesn't care about valuations.
Okay.
Right? So if you have a good stock,
Yeah.
that is why don't buy high valued, overvalued stocks right now.
Okay.
Overvalued stocks you can avoid.
Only undervalued one we can buy it.
The undervalued or they are still safer.
Okay. Okay.
This is a very difficult question, Sanket, because the quality of the stocks are so high. Asian Paint is such a high quality stock that people are always ready to pay higher money for those stocks. The quality of the stock is very, very high. For Asian Paints, Berger, they are very, very high quality stocks. 5 years, they have, so only this quarter, they have not done well. So obviously, they will always be at a high P. That is the big challenge for these stocks.
Thank you for answering that question. But I had a follow-up question to that, Shailesh.
Yes.
Assuming this year is going bad because of COVID, but these would still remain market leaders in their own right.
That is why the number is 22 by 22. But I have given a hold if you see.
Yeah.
Because of the current quarter.
Exactly. So if you take a 3 to 5 year point, view on it, can we add to it apart from what you hold? That was my actual question. I have some of it, but does it make sense to keep on averaging up?
No, don't write it. At average when it falls down.
What I meant is keep on investing, like you do an SIP in mutual funds. Why not do an SIP?
SIP in stocks, what you do, whenever the market falls, right now the price is also, I'll show you when you can buy. And we are going to add that price also here. So it is 2064. If you see, you can buy at a previous month low. I'll give you the price because these prices may be available in November because of the US election fall. So you can actually buy at previous month low. You can buy at 1900.
Okay.
Previous month low, you can buy at this rate. So we'll be putting the buy price also for stocks, which is hold. And so previous month low, I will invest some at 1900. Then if the market further goes on, I'll definitely invest a good amount at 1700. So these will be my two buy rates for Asian Paints. So because sometimes because November is going to come. So when the market crashes, that is the time you will get Asian Paint at such a low rate. And that is the time you should buy Asian Paints. And this is the knowledge which investors don't have. When the market falls, it's a good share, just buy it.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so these are the two levels which you can buy. 1900 is a good level. So I'll wait for about 150 rupees correction.
Hello.
Okay, yes, please. Yes, next question, please. Hello. No more questions? Shall we end if there are no more questions? Shall we end if there are no more questions?
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है सर, फार्मा के स्टॉक जो है कंटिन्यूअस बढ़ते जा रहे हैं और अभी अमेरिका में यूएस में इलेक्शन भी है नवंबर में, तो अभी क्या फार्मा में एंट्री करना चाहिए या वेट एंड वॉच?
US election is a trading mentality.
Okay.
US election is not a fundamental mentality.
Okay. मतलब we should enter.
war मैं आपको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ, एक चीज दिखाता हूँ, विकास वाला दिखाओ वाला जो बनाए ना हमने. हाँ. This is another part वो जो 5 years क्या problem था and the stocks are growing. हाँ. So they don't understand what is the power of growth. मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको.
जी सर.
Yeah, we will take Amardeep, we'll take that also. Yeah. अब देखिए ये कौन पूछा था ये क्वेश्चन मेरे को?
राजेश फ्रॉम प्रयागराज.
हाँ राजेश जी, देखिए 2016 में डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ था.
जी सर.
सबको बड़ा डर लगा स्टॉक मार्केट क्या होगा.
यस सर.
फिर 2017 में जीएसटी हुआ.
जी सर.
सबको बहुत डर लगा.
जी.
फिर 2018 में देयर वाज अ कैपिटल गेन टैक्स.
यस.
2019 में इंडो पाक टेंशन.
करेक्ट.
2020 कोविड. अब फिर यूएस इलेक्शन. This is a continuous scenario. Now, if in that scenario, companies are doing sales growth, that means economy is not giving economy जो problem है वो company को affect नहीं कर रहा है. That is why if you are buying companies which is in sales growth and profit growth, you are already buying good companies. Now, if in the last 5 years, there are companies like Asian Paints and many companies which the score is above 18 and above, all these problems came, but those companies are continuously doing sales growth and the prices have gone up by 100% in the last 5 years or 200%. That means that is a trading mentality. For good companies which is doing sales growth despite of US elections, doing sales growth despite of COVID, doing sales growth despite of something or the other will be there. फिर आप बोलेंगे बिहार इलेक्शन है 9 तारीख को, फिर बोलेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर इलेक्शन आ जाएगा, फिर बोलेंगे बजट आ गया. So you'll go crazy, I'm telling you. But if you focus on companies which is continuously doing sales growth and profit growth, so those are the companies which I highlight. Those are the companies which has high QBS score. And those are the companies which we recommend in buy and strong buys because they are growing in sales and EPS despite of a bad economy, despite of COVID. That is why, देखिए नीचे क्या लिखा हुआ है? Every year something will happen in the economy, went down, but these companies price keeps going up. Why? Because these companies are not affected by economy. That is why I always teach buy companies which is having sales growth and profit growth. Don't buy companies which does not have sales growth and profit growth. Are you able to understand?
Yes,
This is why I always tell you, sales growth, profit growth है, उससे इकोनॉमी का कोई इशू नहीं है.
Okay.
वो टेम्पररी गिरेगा. That is an opportunity to buy these companies. So US election is a great advantage. Yeah, and if Trump wins, market will further go up. Then what? It's a gamble. What do you do? Then you say, "अरे यार मैं exit कर गया US election में and market बढ़ गई." And even market will go down for Biden for 7, 8, 10 days. वो गिरेगा और फिर बाजार तेज हो जाएगा. फिर क्या करेंगे? So that is why whenever you buy companies which is having sales growth and profit growth, which I keep telling you again and again. Okay. Because that those companies do not get affected by economy. Does it clear,
Okay.
Rajesh ji?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
I hope this was a good understanding. How many people got a better understanding of this? How many people understood this? What we are sharing right now? Me. Okay, good. So please invest in companies which is having sales growth and profit growth. That is the secret of, holding companies when the market falls. Right? If they are degrowing, you have to just sell off those companies. Those companies are finished. Okay. Now next question is Amardeep, Ramco Systems. Okay, Amardeep, Ramco System, there's an investor called Vijay Kedia. You know, there are certain investors who buy this share. So he bought this share. So Ramco System, if you see the historically, the company is not doing well. But Mr. Vijay Kedia, who has a portfolio of 5,000 crore, he feels that this share will really go up. So when he buys the share, he has to upload in the market what share is he buying. And then everybody starts buying that share. So that is one, but they also lose a lot of money sometimes. It is a strategy which many people do, but it's a very dangerous strategy. So if you see the June quarter results has shown negative sales growth and negative EPS growth, even June, right? So they are hoping that this company will do well in future. And that is not a very, that's a very dangerous strategy. There are many, many bad companies which has risen 400, 500% in a bad market. So when the market will fall in November, these stocks will fall by 200-300% also, because there will be no support to give to these stocks. So that is the danger of investing in a low quality stock. Are you able to understand, Sunny? Can you come online? Can you mute yourself? We can discuss.
I can understand, Sanish. So you know,
there are many companies. विकास क्या show ना जिसका turnover अच्छा 1 करोड़ के ऊपर और कितने कंपनी 9 के नीचे बढ़ गए हैं, जिसमें वॉल्यूम भी है.
like ये का स्टॉक एक तामला सॉल्यूशंस करके है. That's also like, you know, 500% से ऊपर ग्रो किया है.
Right now, see, IT is going up. So whenever the sector goes up, I'll tell you, whenever the sector goes up, all the pathetic and kachada also goes up. And this is where the investors get trapped. So I'll show you, there are many stocks which has gone up, which is horrible. And when the market will fall, because market will give a correction, everybody knows if Joe Biden will win, Nifty will go down by 1,000 points. And during that time, these stocks will just crash. Market का volume ले लिया क्या विकास?
हाँ, 1 करोड़ से ऊपर.
हाँ, 9 के नीचे. हाँ,
9 के नीचे. अच्छा, 9 के नीचे.
QBS को 9 below.
Yes, 6-month price performance.
Okay, so if you see all these companies, Birla Tyre, the count is 2 and has gone up by 450%. Alok Industries, Uttam Value, Adani Green, CG Power, Jain Irrigation, Ashapuram, Intellect Design, Subex. So there are many companies which has gone up, Sunny. But these companies, when it will go down, it will crash also by 100%. So this is where we give you quality stocks. When the market falls, our stocks have a resistance. They are more resilient. It doesn't fall crazily. And people are crazy because there's very high volumes and lot of people are buying these shares right now. You know, but the score is very, very bad. And most of the stocks are sell. So this happens. So when the market goes up, even the unquality, and this is where manipulation happens. And this is where investors get trapped in the stocks. Do you understand, Sunny?
Yes, I can understand now.
This is where the danger is. And when you will put your money, and if you don't know how to exit, when the market will fall, oh, I lost all my money. Right now, that is why investing in good stocks is always very, very good. This is the problem of a bull market. Even the bad share goes up. And this is happening in the market in a very big way right now. Okay, so please be careful. Please be careful with bad stocks. Because when the market will go down, it is going to have a big problem. See Global Spirit stock tumble from 130. It went up or went down, Aditya Raj? Aditya Raj, it went up or went down? क्या Global Spirit लगा? Global Spirit. Because Global Spirit लगा, क्या बोल रहे हो? It is going up or going down? Chart लगा दे तो better है. So never invest in companies only at the price level. See the quality of the company. 12 देखो price दिखा नीचे, चार्ट दिखा क्या हो, ठीक ही है, अभी तो बढ़ा हुआ ही है, ऊपर से देख कितना गिर गया ऑलरेडी, ऊपर में कितना था, ज्यादा तो नहीं गिरा, ठीक ही है. What is your question, Aditya Raj? Stock tumble नहीं, stock went up. So this is the time all the company owners, everybody, they allow the prices to go up. They also enter because the market is up. This is where it becomes very, very dangerous, extremely dangerous. Okay, so invest in quality stock which is resilient to falling markets.
Shailesh, a suggestion. I had a suggestion. Is this possible to add the QBS in the app? So, for example, if I have to,
we're adding. It's in the process.
Okay. So, I mean, what I meant is, say, if I want to filter a sector with a particular QBS score, would that be possible?
It is already there. We've already done it. All it is by its QBS score. Because it's already there in the sector leaders. We've already done it. It is by QBS score.
I'm so sorry, I did not know. If you could
just see this. Sector leaders. We already made it so easy for everybody. You click IT, you only find the top companies from QBS only. See 22, 21, go down. See 17, 15, 11 is by QBS score only already. So all the top is, you can already see the top companies.
Yeah, once it will add it in filter screener, then you can go that also. You can do that also. Like if you go to stock screener, sorry. You can select sector and then QBS score which you want, and the outcome will be there. If the QBS,
what is your question?
That's what I meant.
Let me understand. What is your question?
Yeah.
So can I know your question?
Yeah, what my question was, for example, I want to filter by sector, say IT or pharma. I say pharma, and then I need a filter for a quality score between 18 to 22.
So you can, it's easy now, because dikhana hai, to chhodna hai, guys, go na. It's so easy, it's already done. See this? Okay, see this. Sector leader, IT.
Okay.
Just see 18 to 20. Just scroll it only. You will only this much share. Bas, that's it. Don't go. But 15 shares are there. It's already there. Just see.
Understood.
18. Go up, Vikash. That's it. You can see all the 10 shares. I mean, this is the better way. You don't even have to search. You got by the QBS code 22 to 18.
No, I meant you can save the queries, right? When you are in a screener, you can save those queries, and you can run it every now and then. That's what I was.
You can save it. Okay, that is one thing we can do that. That can be done from the screener. But you can do it right now. Matlab, you can already start searching all the good companies immediately.
I wasn't aware of this. Thanks for letting me know.
Yeah, so you can do it for all sector now, has been done from leaders. This is the best thing we have done in the app. And people are loving it. So they know the best stocks. That is why we have changed the name of the app from sector analysis to sector leaders. So you see the sector leaders first. So mid cap, you can see the sector leaders first. Okay.
Thank you again.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
Shailesh, I have just one question actually. Before doing your 5-day program and becoming a value stock customer, I have bought one share. It is still showing sell. So the share name is Delta Corp actually. And I have bought a huge number of shares actually in that particular, Delta Corp. So I'm just still thinking whether should I wait till December when the casinos and hotel industries might start, and
I don't even hope. We have so many good shares in the market, and why buy a company which is 13 when you have companies which is available to 18 to 22 or 17 to 22? Why do you want to invest in them which is 13?
No, I was actually not aware about it. So I'm just thinking, should I hold it with caution or because it's already into losses?
I would rather sell and enter into a better stock.
Okay.
That would be my recommendation.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah. Okay, next question, please.
Sir, excuse me, as per your recommendation, whether in strong buy overvaluation, so I have bought strong buy with overvaluation. As per your recommendation, it has crossed it is already in 30% profit. Suppose if I would like to add some more for correction or in current market scenario, let me add
Correction
it.
right now, because right now overvalued stocks, whenever the stocks are overvalued and there is a big event in front of you, you should not buy overvalued stocks. Okay, because there is a big event right now. So that is why we warn you for overvaluation. That the reason for valuation. So after the US, when the market will crash, you just buy those stocks. So be ready. Keep the money ready and the stock, and you buy those stocks. Right? If it is very highly overvalued, especially when the is above 20, 30, then we can do that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, next question, please. Okay, I think so. Let's end the seminar. I hope you enjoyed. We were able to have, was this helpful? Many question and answers. Was this helpful? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
So I hope, because when other people ask also, you also get to get a lot of knowledge. So enjoy the sector leaders. All the best companies are there in the sector leaders. So try to always invest in sector leaders. Okay, never invest in low quality companies. Never do that. Always invest in high QBS companies, high quality companies, always. That should be the principle in the stock market. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Namaste.